Hey guys, it's Arcade. The reason I'm not talking is because it's 3 AM at night and I don't want to wake anyone up. But I will actually blast this music on my speakers. Just kidding. I'll wear headphones. I'm not actually tired right now. I'm pretty fresh. But the reason I'm doing this voice is because that's probably how my thoughts sounded at the time. Now, I actually had this Pepsi before going to bed. Not a sponsor. Looking back at it, it might have been the reason I couldn't fall asleep. I also had a burger with bacon and fries, but who knows if that's the reason. I am no sleep expert. Check out this shirt. Fits pretty well for this video. But anyways, let's get started on this track right now. At the time, I had no idea what type of track I'm going to make. I mean, just look at this confused 3 AM face. Of course, I do know now, because I am from the future. I had this idea to make a song, but deleting all the high frequencies. So it's something I'm going to experiment with in this track. First, I start with some chill but also banging drums. Let's browse through a few samples. Once I was happy with the samples I selected, I laid down a simple beat. That's when I knew this is going to be a slower, chill track. I decided to use Super VHS by Baby Audio to create this distorted kick effect. I went overboard with the distortion, but it felt right. I put it on the shorter kick though. I feel that since I was really tired, I've got into this creative zone that I don't experience very often. It was interesting. Ideas were just floating around in my head. There was no stopping me right now. Next, it was time to add some chords. I decided to go with this creepy, mysterious piano sound from Kashmir's pack called Old Piano. I tried to experiment with some pre-made chords, but then decided it would be better to make my own chord progression. It sounded pretty mysterious though. But nah. I started working on my own creepy chord progression. I think it captures the vibe of 3 AM beatmaking perfectly. This is what I ended up with. Then I decided to use Super VHS again for the piano. By pressing the magic button and turning the drift function, we get the desired sound. It gives it a nice vintage feel. Even though we deleted all the high frequencies on the master channel, I decided to delete some more on this piano sound. Then I transposed the piano a bit. It was time to create a bass sound. I went with this really deep sub sound. Also, even though it's 3 AM, I didn't forget to sidechain the bass. To make things interesting, I managed to sneak in this little drum fill. So far, so good. To have even more variation, I changed up the last piano repetition. It's time to add some mysterious melodies. I went with duduk sound, not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I chose this one Probably because the words sounded funny because of my sleep deprivation. I tested a few different melodies before settling for this one. This is actually the real speed. Yeah. It's definitely not sped up. Okay, we are getting somewhere now. It's time to add some effects to give the song a better atmosphere. I also added these percussion sounds for the same reason. I really like the simple rhythm of them. I layered it with some hi-hats as well. Here you can hear that I automated the modulation wheel of the bass, resulting in a more distorted sound. Just look at me, vibing to this beat in the middle of the night. Way better than trying to fall asleep when you can't. Sounds pretty nice. Do you know what time it is? That's right. It's time to add another melody. Let's just do some last minute finishing touches and we should be good to go. As you can see, the whole song has the high frequencies removed, but we are going to bring them back in the middle of the song. So, without further ado, here is the finished result. Enjoy! And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for my 3 AM beatmaking session. What did you think of the finished result? I thought it captured the night vibe pretty well. But as always, thank you for watching, and I guess I can actually go to sleep now. Well, I still have to turn off the video and the computer and, but yeah. Goodbye.